Look how gorgeous these are. This is my bird of paradise, which always tends to bloom much better here in the nursery. I want to get a better view of this one. Look at that. So pretty. And there's my poinsettia, which didn't do very well over the winter. And then my Moringa tree, which is super healthy plant, healthy herb. And back there's my avocado that I've been babying for 15 years. Let's see if I can get a better view of this one. It's gorgeous.